How's everybody doing today? This is Anthony with My Car Store. We're located on 2912 North Main Street, downtown Fort Worth, home of the 500 down. Alright, what I got here is a 2010 Smart Fortwo Coupe, two-door hatchback. Vehicle has 31,000 miles. It's a 1.0 liter, 3-cylinder. Gas tank, about 8.7 gallons. Don't take much to fill up. It is rear-wheel drive. This vehicle does get 41 miles to the gallon. This vehicle does have power windows, power doors. Really small car, clean. This vehicle does have dual front with head protection chambers, side-mounted airbags, so they are pretty safe. And come check us out. Right here, like I said, 2912 North Main Street, My Car Store. Thanks, have a great day.